Hi, my name is Chantel Lucier with the AtHome Experience, and thank you for joining me for this Reflexology Minute. Today we're going to talk about the neck and the cervical spine. So if you have any kind of pain in your neck or in your cervical area, we can address it through the reflexology points in the thumb. The cervical spine is going to be C1 through C7. C1 is right at the base of the nail on the medial aspect, and you can walk down from C1 to C7, right where this bone is, by thumb walking. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. If you have neck pain, you're also going to want to address the entire circumference of the neck. So you create a hook, and around the circumference of the thumb, you'll go all the way around, almost as if you're like taking off a cap. You're going to go all the way around to the base of the thumb. You can do this for up to a minute and even longer. There are no contraindications if you want to spend a little bit more time there. I hope it helps. Until next time.